Not sure which niche to start in? Many new entrepreneurs freeze because there are just too many options. Choosing the right niche can feel impossible, but AI helps you narrow it down fast. I typed this prompt into ChatGPT. You can pause here to copy it if you like. In seconds, you get a list of profitable niches with example products to sell. This gives you clarity and a concrete starting point instead of guessing or spinning your wheels. But knowing potential niches isn't enough. The AI Business Builder Challenge guides you step by step to pick the right niche and start building your business immediately, with 5 beginner-friendly episodes that make it simple. You also get bonuses like the AI strategy call to review your niche choice and the copy and paste AI command database packed with tools to help you act quickly and confidently. No more guessing games. AI shows you which niche fits your skills and goals in minutes. The AI Business Builder Challenge shows you how to turn that niche into a real business, and it's just $17 to get started. Hit the link in the description and start today.